With the creation of attributes, I needed an interface. Now what I originally did was I just had a command line open VS Code for me to edit attributes in YAML. But eventually I went with Electron, which this is. And we have this interface now. And in using this interface, I encountered the need to see the files. So I added a preview. Now the preview works with music, images, video. Then I had a bit of a playlist. So for instance, right here, this is a browse. You can have different types of browse. You can, for instance, move the search into the browse, and then you can go through the browse. Let's get a few in here so we can give you an example. Let's click on this one. Now this button right here will go to the next item in that browse until we get to the end, which is this. And since this app already has the ability to show the media and it has a sort of playlist-like feature, I decided let's go ahead and add an inline media player. So I did. So, for instance, let's play it. Go ahead and put it in full app mode. And I added the various common functionalities with media players, for instance, moving forward as a percentage, going to random, and looping. Now, this media player is a bit unique in that it can play images, audio, and video. And you can also tell it to only show the audio. So for instance, if you have music in video form, music videos, and you only want to listen to the audio, you can do that. I also made it so that it is compactable. Little bit of an issue with the settings there. Basically, when you're opening the settings in compact mode, it has to use the limited space. But this is what it looks like in compact mode. Now, the benefit to this is compounded with the second primary feature of this, which is renaming templates and basically file organization. Let's go ahead and open this again and change it back to show the video. Now, an aspect of file organization is you want to do things in batches. So let's say I have two videos here that I want to label the 50s. I can copy it to the clipboard, and I can do that in a number of ways. I can press this button here, copies to clipboard, or I can just hover over this and press up. Now I've got the two items in the clipboard. If I click on this button over here, these are all actions I can do to these two items. So if I want to make a playlist, for instance, or if I want to delete all of the items, or if I want to add tags to all of them. So let's say 60s. Now if I go to one of these, it has the 60s tag. But this is also improved with templates. And I'll show that next.